query editor, data model, visualizations. There are so many terms we have seen till now. However, before we understand this in detail, let's try to understand the Power BI desktop workflow so that it will be helpful for understanding the complete end-to-end structure of this Power BI tool, and this will be helpful to understand flow of the applications we are creating. There are three main core areas of the Power BI. One is data preparation, the other one is the data modeling, and the third one is the data visualizations. Now, data preparations we have seen in query editor where we have connected to the one data source and then taken the data and then done some transformations of the data, means maybe some column renaming, some data format changes that we have done in this query editor. That is query editor. Once we have this done this query editor, then it comes to be a data modeling part, which has two sections: data modeling and data visualizations. In data modeling, we have data view and relationship view. Data view we have seen, relationship we haven't seen. In data view, we can see complete data in a tabular format, and that we can do, and where we can assign some categories to the database columns. So this is data view. In relationship view, we haven't seen it. However, this relationship consists of different tables which can be joined together, and then that can be used to create a visualizations. So this is, we will see it later in detail. And once we have this data view and relationship view is a kind of data model, we can build data visualizations which we have already created, which is nothing but we have created one map chart which was showing the GDP data for all the countries. So that is the data visualization, and in data visualization we have different charts like charts, bar chart, column chart, pie chart, map. There are so many charts which are available, and we can build our report based on these visualizations which are available in the tool. So this is the basic workflow. Means once we have data prepared, then we have data modeling where we can see data view and relationship view and can make the use of it to build a powerful visualizations. This is the workflow which we should understand before we go in more detail about this course, and we will see more detailed practical examples in the coming videos. First of all, we will try to see the various query editor interface, then Power BI data modeling interface. That we will see in the next videos. So that's it from this video. If you have any questions, then please put it in comment section. If you like my video, then please like it and share it with others as well. Thank you for watching.